Welcome to our video on indirect material, a fundamental term in the procurement landscape. I'm your assistant, here to provide a quick overview of the term indirect material. So, let's jump right in. What is the definition of indirect material? Indirect material refers to goods or materials that are not directly used in the production of a final product but play a supporting role in the overall operations of a business. These items are vital for business operations but aren't part of the finished product. Think of indirect material as supplies that contribute to the smooth running of operations, such as office supplies, maintenance materials, or consumables. Why is indirect material so important? It is crucial for daily business operations, supporting functions like administration, maintenance, and facility management, despite not being part of the final product. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your comments below. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.